How to fix vanish mode option not available on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix vanish mode option not available in your Instagram. So let's get started. So for people who do not know what vanish mode is, whenever you're on a DM of your friend or someone, if you swipe up, you will see vanish mode option. If you release it, your vanish mode will get turned on. So what vanish mode does is that messages that you send here will disappear right after you close the chat. So that is what a vanish mode is. You can turn it off by simply swiping up again. If vanish mode is not available in your Instagram, the simple reason is that it might not be to its latest version. That is, your Instagram might not get updated to the latest version where vanish mode is available. So to fix that, all you need to do is head over to your app store, simply search for Instagram, and after you find Instagram, simply open it up and find if there is an update available. If the update is available, tap on update, and after the update you should have vanish mode. But if there is not an update available, what you can do is you can head over to your settings, head over to general, and after you're on general, simply navigate to iPhone storage. Now after you're on iPhone storage, you will need to search for Instagram. So simply search for Insta, and after you find it, offload your app. After you offload the app, you should be good to go. Just reinstall it back again and vanish mode will be available for you. And that is how you fix the issue, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.